Hey guys, this is John Broussard. Hope everybody's having a good day. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with this or not. I'm just gonna say it out there. I'm a Republican and I love Trump, but I love me some weed and cannabis. And I've talked to a lot of Republicans and they feel the same way. Sometimes it's not meant for certain people, and some people love it. A lot more of them that love it. Some people don't like to drink and they like to smoke. I'll smoke with anybody. But we're sick and tired of y'all not listening. Get that shit off of the damn federal level. Y'all fucking up everything else. And we're tired of y'all telling us what's best for us. We don't need no babysitter. Y'all work for us. The Democrats are pushing for it, but y'all ain't doing it. And here we can't get certain jobs and da 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 da. But anyway, give me a comment what you